Today we're going to do the sand art after we make the sand. Not really sand, this is actually salt. So I have here a bit of a dark green, turquoise kind of color. I have green and I have yellow. Now we're going to do a very easy one, so it's going to just be layering. Yeah, so we start with the dark green. What you do is you gently pour into the test tube or container. This is the easy one. You just layer it. Okay, so that's the base. Then I'll add in the next layer, a little bit of the lighter green. You can see it's very slight difference. Now we're going to add in a bit of yellow. And we can give it a color contrast. Maybe we'll go for a purple. A lot of tapping going on. Very thin layer of purple of yellow. Okay. Be good if you have a piece of paper underneath to collect. Alright, so we have very thin layers. We can go on with a different color now. Maybe a purple. Hopefully it will look good. Yeah. You can see now the color layers are a little bit better, more obvious. I'll layer it back to pink. Ran out of blue. Maybe and a bit of orange. This is the easy way of doing sand art, just plain layering. Okay. So right here I have another bottle. Now I accidentally spilled it, so you can see that it kind of smudged already, but it's okay. We're going to try making sand art, like draw some shapes inside this. So what you do is you top up the top with another color. Okay, do note that whatever you top up on top, when you use the toothpick to go in and draw, you'll fall to the layer below it. Alright, so you can give it a little tap. Start off with that, that's fine. And now we're going to use this surface to draw. Now what you get yourself, your hands on, you get yourself a toothpick. Any toothpick is fine. Preferably straight, it's easier to draw when it's straight. Not the curvy ones, like this. Yeah, this is a tad too difficult to maneuver. So what you do is you can gently press in to the sand, one layer in, scoop some of the sand inside, scoop some of the top layer sand inside, just like that. And right now I'm just drawing triangles. Alright, the more sand you toss into that gap that you created, the more defined it will be. Okay, this takes a lot of patience. Over here. There. A small one. Okay. On the other side, you can see there's 3 different colored layers. So you can do your own art. You can design it however you want to design it. Yeah. So I hope you guys get to learn something new today. Now this will occupy your kids for quite a while during school holidays. Just give them the sand, tell them to decorate it however they want, and voila, you can live there on their own for quite a while while you do work from home and stuff like that. You keep them occupied. Yeah. So it's good to produce more than one packet of this. That's for sure. Okay. So it's a bit of lines here and there. Now I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try out. Bye.